Songwriters, we need to talk. I'm in a lot of online groups. I see a lot of songs. I need to talk to you, songwriter to songwriter. And I hope you will stop doing this for the love of all things holy, because it drives me nuts. I'm sure it drives other people nuts. So we need to talk about this today. And what I'm talking about is explanations of songs that are longer than the song themselves. So what am I talking about? Well, in some of these groups, songwriters are filming themselves, they're writing songs, they're playing their songs, and they're explaining the song before they play it. And sometimes people do this in a live situation as well, which I think in a live situation, maybe it's a little bit more accepted because you're kind of talking to the audience, you're still kind of setting them up. But if your explanation of the song is longer than the song, you're doing something wrong in the song. And there was a lot of rhymes with song in there. That's fine. So what am I talking about? Your song should speak for itself. A lot of times I'm hearing songwriters play a song and it's okay. You know, I kind of get what they're talking about. Sometimes I don't. Sometimes it's written in such an abstract way that I have no idea what they're talking about. And I'm assuming they're writing that because they think writing abstract helps people put themselves into the song, but that's actually not true. The more specific you are, the more people put themselves in your song. But what I'm talking about is you listen to the song, and then you hear the explanation, and the explanation is much cooler and says way more than the song itself. So what I'm asking all of you to do is, if your explanation tells the story more than the song does, try to put more of your explanation directly into the song. Your listeners will appreciate it. I'm gonna appreciate it. I think your songs are going to get better because you're giving the listener more information so they know what the F is going on. Because sometimes you listen to a song and you're like, okay, fine, was kind of cool, don't necessarily know what that was about. But then you hear the songwriter explain it and you're like, oh, that would be a great song, but that's not what that song was, right? So stop overcomplicating and stop flowery languaging your song. Like, stop trying to make your songs poetic and just freaking tell us the story. And I think a great way to start writing songs is to just first write down what the story is, the way that you would explain it to someone, and then cherry pick lines from your explanation and turn those lines into the song. I hope that this hits some kind of a nerve with you, and I hope that some of you relate to this because, like I said, in some of these online groups, you have a 4-minute explanation for a 3-minute song, and I just want to listen to the song. If I have to listen to you explain it, why do I listen to the song? Do you know what I'm saying? Like, if you've given me all of this information, then why am I even listening to your song? Because the song doesn't matter. And make sure the song does matter. We want the song to matter because we're songwriters and we want our listeners to connect with our songs. If you want to check out our online workshops, the link is in the description. And also check out this other video here at Home Songwriting. Hopefully it can help you write better songs and get you inspired to keep writing. So thanks for watching. I'm Chad Shank. Check out this next video.